Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today we are making Teriyaki Loco Moco with cauliflower rice. I have already introduced you to Japanese Hamburger steak. In this recipe, I have improved the texture by changing the ratio between pork and beef. Today I bought a huge cauliflower at the farmer's market and I decided to make it into a loco moco with cauliflower rice. Let's get started. Divide the cauliflower into sections. Wash thoroughly and drain. Put them in a food processor. Pause to cut into a coarse crumb or until look like this. Transfer to a frying pan. Turn on the heat to medium. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and a pinch of salt. Cook until heat is through for about 6 to 7 minutes for this size of cauliflower. Transfer to a resealable container and set aside. Next, let's make Hamburger steak. Sprinkle milk onto Panko breadcrumb. Toss to distribute evenly. Set aside until moistened. Chop the onion into small pieces. I had cooked onion in my previous Hamburger steak video, but not this time. Onion cooked inside the meat generates the steam and it makes juicy Hamburger steak. Add all the ingredients to a mixing bowl. Mix by hand vigorously until well combined. When the fat from meat sticks to the surface of the bowl, the mixing is done. Divide the filling into desired portion. Take it onto your palm and pat like catching a ball to remove air inside. Otherwise, it's going to fall apart while cooking. Shape into an oval 2/3 of an inch thick. Make a shallow indent in the center to cook evenly. Cook Hamburg on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Flip and cover with the lid and reduce the heat to low. Cook until done or stick a toothpick and translucent juice come out. It's good to go. It takes about 5 minutes or 10 minutes in total. These are the ingredients for teriyaki sauce. Remove the excess oil with paper towel. Reduce the heat to low, add in sugar, soy sauce and mirin. Reduce the sauce just for a second and add in potato starch solution to thicken the sauce. While cooking Hamburger steak, cook sunny side up in a small pan. Place 4 inches diameter mold on the pan. Spray non-stick oil. Crack in the egg. Add in a tablespoon of water and put the lid on. Cook 2 minutes or cook to your liking. Let's assemble. Place 3 to 4 spoonfuls of cauliflower rice onto a plate. Place sliced avocado aside and place your hamburger steak beside the avocado. Put your fried egg on top and drizzle your teriyaki sauce all over. Boiled broccoli makes your loco moco more balanced. Dust with paprika powder for the colorful last touch. There you have your teriyaki loco moco. It's time to taste. Look at that runny yolk and the juicy Hamburg steak. I found that more pork in the recipe makes bouncy but juicy hamburger steak. Today I have prepared cauliflower rice, but you can go with hot steamed rice. I hope you will give it a try soon. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please visit my website for more information and follow me on my social media for daily update. And the store on Amazon is open 24/7, so you can check the ingredients and tools. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!